Hello kid, today we are going to learn about pets, why should we keep them and how should we treat them. Well, do you know what is a pet? Let me tell you. Pets are adorable, homely and safe animals whom we keep as our family members and we take care of them. Do you have any pet like a dog, cat, fish, birds? No? Well, after this, I'm sure you will want one. Let's see an incident. Well, this is Summer's family. This is Summer. This is his sister Sonia, his mom, dad, grandfather, grandmother, and his lovely pet Shiny. Shiny is a Labrador dog and he is very dear to all the family members. Other than Shiny, they have got some wonderful colorful fish in their beautiful aquarium. And Summer and Sonia always take care of the fish. How? By giving them food daily. Even the fish are loved by his grandfather and grandmother. They keep on watching them because they look so beautiful. They don't even understand how the time passes. Oh my God, what's this? Why is Shiny so angry? Well, there is Jerry, the neighborhood cat. But why does she makes Shiny all the time angry? Because Shiny thinks that Jerry would come and eat away all the fish in the aquarium. Not only that, he thinks Jerry would also steal the food from the kitchen and have it. And this is something Shiny does not like at all. So every day Sonia lovingly feeds Shiny. She gives him pedigree and all the great food that she can. Even Summer gives the leftover food and milk to Jerry. And both of them get food every day. But see what Jerry has done. Why won't Shiny get angry? Just like Jerry is a greedy cat, he always comes up to the kitchen and steals milk. And finally, he has it. So that's why Shiny gets angry. Now, Shiny and Jerry have their own place to stay. What are they? Well, Shiny has its own house, that is the kennel. And Jerry also sometimes come in Summer and Sonia's room and spends time with them. One night, just imagine what happened. A family of mice came inside Summer and Sonia's room. They got inside the loft and let's see what they did. Just look over here. They had bitten all the corners of their old books. They had also eaten up their uniform and filled the room with full of litters. Next day, when Summer and Sonia saw this, they were so shocked and upset. How did this thing happen? All their uniform were torn, all the papers were lying here and there, fully torn. So they were very shocked. At that time, Jerry came inside the room and seeing the condition, he understood. This might be the mice family. And do you know what Jerry did after that? Just see. He climbed up the table and jumped to the loft. And finally, he scared all the mice away. So finally, Summer and Sonia's room were completely safe from mice. And that day, Summer and Sonia were very happy with Jerry. Look, they have given him a great lunch. A big piece of fish, a big bowl of milk, and just see Jerry. How happy he looks, isn't it? Well, do you see when there is food left over in the floor somewhere in your room? What happens? The ant family came. Do you know what did they say? They said, food. Come on soldiers, attack. So when you see the ants, what do? You run away from your room. Correct? Similarly, Summer, Sonia, Jerry and Shiny, they just ran out of their room. One night, a family of moles had come inside their room just to steal food from their house. Well, everyone was sleeping. Nobody saw what had happened. The next night, suddenly Sonia got up and she puts on the light and sees the mole family. She gets very scared. She doesn't understand what to do, how to get rid of them. Finally, next morning, when she has a word with his brother, they decided to ask Jerry and Shiny to help them. Why? To get rid of the mole family. So let's see what they all plan to do. Well, for 3 nights, every night, Summer and Jerry and Sonia and Shiny used to guard their kitchen room and their back door. Finally, they were able to chase away all the moles from their house. So you can see how the pets are helpful for your family as well. So they were all very happy. They said, "Thanks Shiny, thanks Jerry, both of you are awesome. They are really amazing pets, isn't it?" Well, not only that, even Shiny understood that Jerry was helpful and good for the family. So they became friends as well. So I have a question for you. What did you learn from this story? We should love and take care of the animals, or we should harm the animals, or we should not live with any animal? Well, definitely, if we have helpful and lovely animals like Shiny and Jerry, we should always keep them pets. So, we should live with the animal. Next, do you think we should harm the beautiful animals like Jerry, Shiny and the fish? Not really. If you had harmed someone, do you think just like Shiny and Jerry, they would help you out and get rid of the moles and mice? No, right? So we should make sure we should not harm any animal. And finally, we should love and take care of the animals just like Shiny and Jerry. Well, there are different kind of animals, but some animals are there whom we can keep as pets and they love and take care of us as well. How? By helping them. Just like dogs, the fish. But there are few animals which are harmful for our families, just like the moles and the mice. So, what we should do? We should always keep pets which are helpful, just like Shiny and Jerry, and we should keep our house free from animals like mice and moles. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per ICC, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. More than 5,000 plus amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social studies. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubt. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So, at deltastep.com, learning is not only fun and easy but also rewarding. So register for free now.